Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. So today I want to talk about the replacement for the Ram TRX, that beautiful Hellcat-powered 702 horsepower pickup truck, and it's going away after the 2024 model year. So supposedly there's a replacement which is going to be called the Ram RHO, and there are quite a few differences. And by the way, first of all, I was told that at first the new replacement for the TRX was also going to be called the TRX, kind of like the next generation TRX. But then they realized, maybe they did some study groups, that wasn't going to fly because it was so different. People expected a Hellcat-powered supercharged 702 horse engine with the TRX, and that's not what happens with the RHO. So they decided to change the name to RHO, which supposedly means Ram High Output. I haven't had that confirmed, but that's what some have said. Now, some specs on the RHO, it is different from the TRX, a lot different. Instead of having a supercharged V8, instead of having a V8, it has the inline six, the twin turbocharged inline Hurricane six-cylinder, supposedly with 540 horsepower. So it's a much different vehicle. It's going to feel differently. It's going to sound differently. It's not going to be as powerful. So supposedly that's what's going on. It's going to be out tentatively in late 2024, maybe the last quarter of 2024. The TRX, by the way, the supercharged V8 TRX is still available through the 2024 model year. As a matter of fact, even though the V8 muscle cars, the Charger and Challengers, are gone as of the end of 2023, you can still buy them, though. They're still 2023 models in 2024, still some available. But the 2024 model year still has the Hellcat motor in the TRX, the Ram TRX pickup truck, as well as the Dodge Durango. You can also get a V8 392 in a Jeep Rubicon. So 2024 is the last year for those. And then I think the Hemi V8s are gone for good, at least for now. So anyway, back to the RHO. It's supposedly a different kind of a vehicle. That's what the marketing says. They say the RHO isn't as powerful as the TRX, but, quote, should be just as capable. They also say that it's for, quote, a new kind of customer. Now, I don't know what that means, but I can take a guess. The people that bought the TRX saved their pennies, nickels, dimes, dollars, and everything they had to buy one. They are not necessarily people that have a lot of money, but they're people that love, their motorheads love muscle cars, love the V8 power. And these Hellcat-powered vehicles are the ultimate muscle cars. And now they are soon to be no more. But the RHO is not going to attract the same kind of people. Now, Ford tried a similar deal with the Raptor. They, of course, had the V8 Raptors, which were very popular. And then they went to the six-cylinder, the V6 Raptor, which was turbocharged. And, as all of us thought, that wasn't going to fly, and it didn't. So what does Raptor do? They had to come back with the Raptor R, which is, again, a supercharged V8 to compete with the TRX. And now that is something, although very expensive, like the TRX, it's something that people can aspire to. Mustang also tried this back when. They didn't do away with the V8 Mustang, but they tried that EcoBoost, and I think they thought that was eventually going to replace the V8 Mustang, but again, no way, it didn't. I have a video that I did a few months ago when I rented an EcoBoost Mustang and I gave my impressions, and well, just as a little clue, it was not a V8 Mustang, not at all, and I was not impressed with it. So that's the deal with that. These people that are putting out vehicles such as the RHO need to realize it's not just about horsepower numbers. It's not just about 0 to 60. It's the whole thing. It's about the sound of a V8 under the hood, the whine of a supercharger, the exhaust note. It's kind of a concert for car guys and gals, with everything working together, the sounds, the performance. It's everything like that. And otherwise, I mean, I'd be fine, with an all-wheel drive battery electric. Those have high horsepower, many of them, neck-snapping performance, instant torque, but that's not what it's all about. And that's why they're not going to be okay with an inline six. The exhaust note on an inline six is not the same as a V8 at all. In addition to that, it's just a different feel. V8s are much smoother. They just have a different torque curve and just feel so much different. Now, Car and Driver got some video of one of the test mules of the RHO, and let's take a listen. So what do you think? Is that something you would spend $80,000, $85,000 for? I can't remember if I mentioned this before, but Stellantis has jacked the prices up on their vehicles so much in the past 2, 3, 4 years. It's unbelievable. Well, they haven't been around for 4 years, but the prices have just gone up something crazy. And Ram trucks are more expensive than the Fords and the Chevys. So, they have to offer some additional bang for the buck if they're going to continue to sell. And after the 2024 model year, not only will the TRX be gone, but so will the V8s. And one of the things that a lot of people that buy Ram trucks love, and one of the reasons they spend the extra money if they do, is because not only do they want a V8, which of course they can get from a Ford or a Chevy, but they want the Hemi V8. And when no more V8s are available starting in the 2025 model year, are they going to go for the inline six? Because that's what's going to be available, the Hurricane engine. And the RHO is the top of the line Hurricane engine. That'll be the most powerful one for a lot more money as well. So really, we need to see what's going to happen. I think Stellantis needs to sit down and rethink their strategy. And it's just another example of why Stellantis, a European conglomerate of which Chrysler and Jeep and Dodge and Ram are a part of, they need to realize that the U.S. market is different from the European market. They need to really rethink their marketing strategy. So let me know what you think. Comment below, is this something you would spend $85,000 for? It's a lot of money, a ton of money. The prices have been going up with Stellantis vehicles, and is their top of the line turbocharged inline six worth that money? I don't think so, but again, let me know what you think. If you haven't already done so, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Those things help a lot. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.